Hello everyone. I am going to show you how to convert a Word document into a PDF. This is my Word document. It's just an example. I am using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now click on Tools. Under Create and Edit, click on Create PDF. Also, you can go to File, Create PDF from File. Click on Select a File. Click on the Word document that needs to be converted to a PDF. Click Open. Click Create. And it takes a couple of seconds. As you can see, this is the PDF. Now, if you don't have the Adobe software in your computer and are using Windows 10, I am using Windows 10. Windows 10 has a built-in function where you can convert any document into a PDF. So if you go to File, click on Print. Under Printer, this is the one that you want to be selected, Microsoft Print to PDF. If you don't see it, click on the drop-down menu and select it. Click Print. It's going to ask you where you want to save it and to give a file name, PDF1. Click Save, and it's done. This is the document. This is the PDF document. If you right-click, if you have Adobe software, it will open an Adobe software. If you don't have the Adobe software, just right-click and select Open with, select Microsoft Edge, and the PDF document opens up in Microsoft Edge. Also, if you have Adobe software, you can just right-click and click Convert to PDF. And this will also convert the document to a PDF. So that's it. I thank you for watching.